Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm talking about the law of alignment, which is chapter 8 of the Love is the Law book. You can find the book at loveisthelaw.com. And still people ask me, how do I get the book? Where can I order the book? Guys, very simple. Go to loveisthelaw.com and then you're going to choose the channel of your choice, whether it's Amazon, Kindle, Apple Books, Google Books, whatever books. You pre-order and you receive bonuses, and everything is described on loveisthelaw.com, what kind of bonuses you will receive. One of them is upcoming Love is the Law workshop, VIP day with me, and so on. So you can get these bonuses if you pre-order the book. They are valid for the next 3 weeks. So if you want to be part of it, you want to order the book now. And then once you do, you need to submit the receipt number and receive your bonuses. If you don't want to order the book, you can still get 2 free chapters. Simply go to loveisthelaw.com. Now, let's talk about the law of alignment, which is chapter 8. Law of alignment. So what is this law all about? If you remember yesterday, I was talking about the law of attraction and 7-step manifestation formula and how you manifest whatever that you want to manifest in your life. And during those 7 steps, I was breaking down every single step. One of those steps was the vision, the burning desire, and the 7th step was to let go. Now, I want to go deeper with the law of alignment, because the law of alignment is actually slightly deeper than law of attraction. Many times people who want to manifest whatever they want to manifest and they are using law of attraction, they are not able to manifest. And this is very common thing among the community of people who are familiar with the law of attraction, people who read the book Secrets or the movie Secret. I mean, you probably know what I'm talking about. And many times these people are not manifesting what they want to manifest because, and here's the deal, I'll tell you why. Because, first of all, they don't understand it properly. They understand it only on very much surface level. And second of all, they don't apply the law of alignment. So what the heck is law of alignment? That's the good question, right? The law of alignment is alignment of your conscious and subconscious mind. So let me repeat it. It's alignment of your conscious with your subconscious mind. And so what does this essentially means is that 98% of your reality that you see is actually a reflection of your subconscious mind. It's not your conscious mind. 90% of your reality is created by your subconscious. That's fact. And it's not even your conscious mind. And so if you want to consciously change something, whatever area of your life you want to improve, finances, business, family, personal relationships, romantic relationship, whatever you are working on right now that you want to activate or improve, if you are not aligned with your subconscious mind, with your new beliefs, you're not going to manifest it. So let me break it down. If you want to create something and you are trying to consciously apply this 7-step manifestation formula that I discussed yesterday, and by the way, if you missed that video, you can go back and check it out. It is still available. In that case, you need to examine your subconscious beliefs, right? You need to examine your subconscious mind. What is there? What is in my subconscious mind? What kind of limiting beliefs are present in my subconscious, and how can I remove them? Because those beliefs that are in your subconscious mind are creating the results you are seeing in your reality. You are not a victim, guys. You are not a victim, and if you feel like a victim, please remove it, because you're not. You are powerful, and trust me, like, I am being challenged on so many levels for quite some time, even with this book right now that I'm publishing the book. And I am oftentimes asking this question, like, what's in my subconscious mind? And then I go and I meditate and I try to define it, like what is there that is creating this challenge. I'm just giving you examples. So if you are currently facing challenge in that area of your life, I don't care what area it is, depending on what you are trying to manifest, and if you already applied that 7-step manifestation formula from yesterday, You need to go deeper. And because of that, you need to apply the law of alignment. To manifest anything, you need to align your conscious mind with your subconscious mind. So how do you do that? Well, you need to tap into your subconscious mind, and there are several ways you can tap in your subconscious mind. One of them is through meditation. You can do hypnosis. There are different techniques, tools that I'm actually describing in my book, section how to apply the law of alignment. And the easiest way is really, if you want to self-medicate yourself, is really to do it through meditation. And so what I really want you to work on is to define one area that is troubling you, one area that you are challenged, and define that limiting belief. Define that limiting belief. If you cannot consciously define the limiting belief, then at least write it down on a piece of paper. Write it down what comes up. Like, for example, if you want to, let's say you want to, let me just use money. Yesterday I was using money as an example. Let's say I'm going to use money again as an example. Let's say you want to multiply the income. Well, you need to write down, if you're not able to multiply it by applying 7-step manifestation formula I mentioned yesterday, what you need to do is to write it down on a piece of paper and then write down all limiting beliefs that you can consciously think of that come up to the surface when I ask you, what do you feel if you imagine that you are already making, fill in the blank, this much money, right? But you can apply it to every single area of your life. You don't have to just use the money. I'm just giving you an example. And then you fill in the blank. And then what do you feel you're going to write down? So what do I feel when it comes to this that I want to manifest and I'm not able to? What do you feel? And you're going to write it down. You're going to write it down and then you're going to just look at it. And then those are your limiting beliefs. Now, obviously, you need to be honest with yourself. So you have to write down what's really going on. And that's why I'm saying consciously write it down. Sometimes it might be challenging to consciously write it down. So that's why I'm saying you can do meditation. And during meditation, you can ask yourself and observe what's coming up. Or sometimes you might even use hypnosis because you might need feedback. You might need someone to help you with that. So that will be the best and easiest way to actually define your subconscious limiting beliefs. And then second step would be to rewrite them. You're just going to scratch them and then you're going to rewrite the new belief that you have. And then you have to work with that new belief. Every single day you have to work with that new belief. And because of that, you need to align that subconscious mind with the conscious mind. What's really helpful also is during the alpha state, when you're falling asleep, play affirmation. Like you can record your own affirmations. Make sure to use the statement I am and then fill in the blank and play it when you are falling asleep in alpha state, because that is when the mind is open. That is when you can influence your subconscious mind in that alpha state, not in the beta state or high beta state. Like now I am in beta state, this is high beta state. If you want to influence my subconscious mind right now, you won't be able to. But if I go to alpha state and I start listening to this recording, my own affirmations, those affirmations start influencing my subconscious mind. I hope it makes sense. Hi Lucina, thanks for watching. So the homework I want to give you guys is really just to write down the limiting beliefs you might have and then observe them. And then scratch these limiting beliefs and write a new belief next to it and create affirmation. Create affirmation that you can actually play every single night. Affirmation you can play every single night before you fall asleep. And that's going to help you to rewire the pattern in your subconscious mind. So I hope it makes sense. Guys. If you are new and you just joined this challenge, thank you so much for tuning in. I would recommend that you go back and watch the previous videos, because every single video, this was day 8, every single video is actually connected with the next video. So for example, today the law of alignment wouldn't make sense if you didn't watch yesterday's video where I talk about the law of attraction, because I described the whole process, 7-step formula. So if you don't know what I'm talking about or it doesn't make sense, then I would suggest you go back and check out all the 8 videos. We talk about, actually 7 videos I talk about since last week, and then it's going to make more sense. Tomorrow, I'm going to cover the law of balance. The law of balance is actually quite important, especially for those who are high achievers. Somebody who is constantly on the go, trying to achieve things. The law of balance is important to understand, because many times we just think that we just need to do, but that's not necessarily true. Sometimes we need to balance it, and doing nothing is a very important part of the law of balance. So I will definitely talk about that tomorrow. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.